Hey guys, my name is Ashley Cheek. I am one of the nurse practitioners and aesthetic injector here at About Face. I am both in the Snellville location and in the new Bogart location. Today I'll be demonstrating the modalities of our XLV Plus laser. This machine can treat all kinds of skin conditions such as reds and browns, pigment in the skin, rosacea, broken capillaries. It also helps produce collagen in the dermal layer of the tissue as well. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the Laser Genesis. So this is a revolutionary non-invasive procedure by Cutera that's designed to improve the appearance of your skin with no downtime, no needles, and no recovery time. This treatment works by emitting gentle pulses of light that penetrate deep into the dermis, where they heat up the skin's tissue in a controlled manner. It also helps promote collagen remodeling, which helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles, reduces redness from rosacea, and improves overall skin texture. Laser Genesis is a comfortable and relaxing procedure. During the treatment, you'll feel a soothing, warm sensation over the skin as the laser handpiece glides over your skin. We actually don't even touch the skin with the handpiece. It hovers over to heat that tissue up. Most clients find the sensation compared to like laying under a tanning light or laying out in the sun. There's no need for numbing cream, and the treatment is very quick, typically taking about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's often referred to as the lunchtime laser treatment. Laser Genesis is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're concerned about fine lines, redness, overall skin texture, this treatment can be tailored to fit your needs. It's ideal for both men and women as a way to enhance their appearance without taking time out of their busy schedules. With our Laser Genesis, your provider will prep the skin and apply eye shields for your protection. Many clients start to see visible improvements after just one session, but the full effects of Laser Genesis build over time as collagen production increases. Multiple sessions, typically around 6 or so, are recommended depending on your skin concerns. Laser Genesis works beautifully in combination with many of our other services, such as our Diamond Glow or Hydrofacial, dermaplaning, or our non-surgical facelift program for even more radiant and youthful results. Your skin could be a little flushed directly after the laser, but should subside very quickly afterwards. Are you ready to rejuvenate your skin and discover the incredible benefits of Laser Genesis? Book your free consultation today.